One of the most difficult part about EVs is maintenance. And you know what? We're gonna go ahead and change air filters. All jokes aside, there's very, very low maintenance on EVs. But one of the most common ones that you're gonna be doing is obviously tire rotations and of course the air filters. And air filters on the Rivian R2 is actually very similar to R1S, R1T, but it's fairly easy to replace. It's very similar on a Model Y. The Model Y is actually right here in the center console on the inner side right here. And the R2 is actually right behind this glove box. There's actually two glove boxes in the Rivian. So there's actually one right here, which is unique. And then there's also one right here. So we're gonna show you how to remove this. Of course, this is a brand new car, so there's no need to remove this, but we wanted to kind of get ahead of it. And if you're asking, when should I replace this? Honestly, when you start smelling like dirty socks, that's probably when. But depending on where you live, you tend to have to replace it more often. So if you're like in Florida, super humid, it might be like every year or every 9 months, right? And if you're somewhere in the north, it might be every 2 years or something like that. So typically, yeah, my test is if it smells, but I forget, it's probably a mileage thing that we can probably recommend, and you could check it out on the manual on Rivian, which we'll put the link below as well. So first off, enough talking, I'll show you exactly how to do it. You're gonna open up the glove box, and once you open up the glove box, I'm gonna show you this button, okay? There is a button right here. It's not actually front facing, but you push up, okay? And then it's gonna release this hook. I'm gonna show you, and then it's gonna release this hook. Once you release that, look what's happening right here. There's a hook right here and a hook right here. You actually have to push almost upwards. It's not vertically up, but it's pretty up. And once that happens, you reveal where the air filter is right here. And once you do that, there's a clip right here. You push this out, and then you can take it out. This right here locks into this slot, and then this is basically like a compression plastic right here. And of course, there's a flap right here, and then you can pull it out. It already says up right here, and you can get these filters at Rivian.com in their shop, and then just pull it out, and then there should be just one right there, right? That's all you need to do. So once you replace it, get a brand new one, go ahead and push it in, right? And flap it down like this. Then we're gonna go ahead and push it in first like so, and then push in. You hear that click, and then to push this back in, and that's all you need to do. I mean, it is so easy, and I'm really glad the design of this is quite nice. Again, just pushing this in, and it's all right in here. So that's pretty much it for the video. It's a short one, but if you have any questions, let us know in the comments below. We're gonna be coming up with a lot of Rivian R2 content, and click on the subscribe button. We'll see you later.